Welcome to your Tutor Online video lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to cross-multiply an equation to solve for a variable. Now you're going to use cross-multiplication whenever you have a variable in a fraction, like the example I'm about to show you. I'm going to use x over 3 is equal to 6 over 9. Let me just switch colors real quick so you can see how the cross multiplication works. We're going to use cross multiplication anytime you see a variable in a fraction. And all cross multiplication means is we're going to take the numerator of one of the fractions and multiply it against the denominator of the other fraction. So we're going to take the x and multiply with the 9. And then we're going to take the numerator of that same fraction and multiply it against the other denominator. So all that means here is that is 9 times x, or 9x, and then we keep the equal sign, and then we do 3 times 6, which is 18. And that sets up a nice little algebra problem for us that we can solve pretty easily. The 9's multiply with the x, so we divide both sides by 9 and we get just x. Divide this side by 9 and we get 2. X is equal to 2. And you can always plug that back in just to make sure it works. Okay. I'm going to show you one other example, and this one will be a word problem just so we can try another example with cross multiplication. You traveled 45 miles in 30 minutes. How far would you travel in 90 minutes at the same rate? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set up our cross multiplication again. We're going to set up the ratio 45 miles in 30 minutes. So that is a ratio. 45 over 30, and then what we don't know is the miles. So that's what we don't know. We'll leave that as an x. We do know that 90 minutes, and we'll put that on the bottom. So we just make sure that we match up the tops and the bottoms. 30s is in minutes, 90s is in minutes, and so as long as they're both on the bottom, you'll be fine. 45 is a mile, and we don't know the other miles, so we do the same thing again. Go ahead and do the cross multiplication. The bottom to the top, and the top to the bottom. So we're going to end up with 30x is equal to 4,050. Divide both sides by 30, because now it's just a simple algebra problem, and get 135. Make sure in your final answer you include the units, and we know it's miles because that was the unknown before. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me for this lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. I would love for you to help me help you by leaving comments, asking questions, and also go to the website yourtutoronline.com and you can visit the contact page and drop me an email directly that way. Leave me a note to let me know what topics you're studying or what you will be covering in class, so maybe I can make a video that would explain that topic to you. And if these videos are helpful to you, please share them with your classmates. I'll see you next time. Happy studying.